Hey guys, welcome back. So today I went to Walmart. I had to get some groceries for Christmas, so I'm gonna show you a little grocery haul. So here is my meal plan for the week. Monday, we're gonna have ham and cheese tortellini, garlic bread, and I have some corn on the cob in the fridge. Tuesday, I'm hosting Christmas dinner, so I will be cooking chicken and noodles. Wednesday, I'm sure that we're gonna have leftovers, so I just plan for a leftover night. Thursday, I go back to work, so I'm making potatoes and sausage with some broccoli on the side. And then this was actually yesterday. We ate out last night. Tonight we're gonna have pizza, and then tomorrow we're gonna have spaghetti and garlic bread. So here's kind of an overview with everything that I got. Walmart did end up substituting 6 things for me, and I'll show you as we go throughout, but they did a pretty good job, so you also see. I'm gonna start over here. I got this 30-pack of the Roaring Waters for Liam. He's kind of getting more independent, so I wanted to, cater to that for him so he can just go and get a drink whenever he needs one, within reason, of course. I got some egg noodles. I'm going to be making chicken and noodles for Christmas. And then I got some cheese tortellini for our ham and cheese tortellini night. I got some apple juice for the kids, some cranberry juice, and some ginger ale for my Christmas punch. My family really liked it at Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna do it again. And then I got some dried cranberries, some white chocolate morsels, peppermint extract. All this is gonna be for a dessert. I got some pasta sauce. We're having spaghetti one night. I wanted to try the roasted garlic parmesan this time, so we'll see how that goes. I got some rotini for our spaghetti. I like cooking with rotini because, for one, it's easy to cook, and two, it's easier for the kids to eat versus spaghetti, so I've been getting rotini a lot lately. I got some Sam's Cola for Terry. I got some chicken breast for chicken and noodles. I wanted to try the Starbucks iced coffee. I have some creamer in the fridge I need to use up. So I want to try it this week and just see how it goes. I'm kind of getting burnt out on my Monster Javas, so I want to try something different. And then I got some toaster strudels for my breakfast for the week, a 10-pound bag of potatoes because a lot of my meals this week are for potatoes. I got some broccoli, some frozen pizza. We like the Jack's pizza. Terry likes pepperoni, and I just like cheese because I share it with the kids. And then I got some eggs just for, baking reasons and to have throughout the week. Some Ritz crackers for another dessert. I got this s'mores gift pack. It's for my sister. She randomly decided that she was coming to Christmas dinner and I didn't have a gift for her, so I just got this really quick. She's pregnant, so I'm sure that she'll like it. I got some chicken broth for chicken and noodles. I needed some prenatal vitamins. I ran out, so I got those. They did substitute the gummies for the regular ones, which I don't really like because there's not as many minerals and vitamins in it, but it's fine. It'll work. I have it now, so I have to use it. I got some cream of mushroom, cream of chicken for chicken and noodles, some 4 cheese sauce for our tortellini. I got some sparkling apple cider for the punch that I'm going to be making for Christmas, and then some no-shelled pistachios. I always have a hard time saying that word, but that's for a dessert as well. And then I got some butter cheddars for a dinner this week, some cinnamon rolls for Christmas breakfast, some diced ham for a dinner this week, and this is something else that they substituted. I wanted chocolate, but they gave me white, so I don't know. I'm going to have to work something out with that. I might have to go to the store. And then I saw these. These are pecan tarts and cream cheese, basically danishes or something. I don't know. They look good. So I got these just for a dessert for Christmas, but I learned that on Thanksgiving, I made a ton of desserts, and they were pretty much untouched. So I decided that I was not going to waste my time baking this time. I'll just lay these out on a tray, and people can grab them as they go. But I have to work on Christmas Eve, so I did not want to spend a ton of time baking. So that's why I got these, and hopefully they'll be good. Also, I needed some more lip balm. I love the EOS Sweet Mint. I ordered a 2-pack, one of the original lipsticks and then these, but they didn't have it, so they just gave me 2 of these, which is perfectly fine because, you know, it doesn't matter. And then I ordered garlic bread, but they said to give me this Italian bread. I figure I can just make my own garlic bread. I got 2 of these yeast rolls for Christmas dinner. So that is everything that I got at Walmart this week. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.